Greetings from the luxurious journey of the future. Put your RV knowledge aside. With its camper design, the British luxury behemoth Bentley boldly breaks new territory in 2026. This is a message rather than just an automobile. Imagine an elegant beast that perfectly captures the spirit of Bentley. The large, recognizable alloy wheels, the flowing body lines that are accentuated with rich chrome and carbon fiber, and the recognizable large matrix grilles on each side of the svelte adaptive LED headlamps. Bentley's distinctive grace and speed endure despite its enormous size. Beneath all of that luxury comes an equally amazing engine. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is anticipated to be powered by a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid drivetrain that consists of a powerful electric motor and a twin-turbocharged V6 or V8 engine tuned for efficiency and power. Even for a large car, the combined output may provide over 700 horsepower and enormous volumes of immediate torque, guaranteeing smooth and faultless acceleration. It would also move quickly and create no pollution because of its all-electric range. It's the ideal fusion of fashion, practicality, and ecological consciousness. As soon as you enter, the dashboard greets you as a marvel of both technology and design. An ultra-wide, curved touchscreen infotainment display that runs almost the whole length of the dashboard and integrates 3D navigation, vehicle controls, and an innovative infotainment system is the major draw. It has beautiful burr wood inlays, hand stitching, polished chrome or aluminum hardware, and the finest leather. All relevant data is presented in an understandable manner on the completely adjustable digital instrument panel. Buttons that are made of solid metal are unique pieces of art that have a satisfying feel to them. An opulent, movable lounge serves as the interior living space. Thick, quilted leather sofas and seats are electrically adjustable and incredibly comfortable. A large L-shaped sofa, a dining table that folds and conceals, or even swivel captain seats are available options. Large panoramic side windows with electrically adjustable opacity offer unhindered views. Concert caliber music is produced by a distinctive audio system from a reliable supplier, and the ideal atmosphere is created with movable LED ambient lighting. Entering the bedroom immediately transports you to a peaceful haven. The finest silk sheets cover an orthopedic mattress specifically made for a king-size bed. To accommodate all of your needs, there is a walk-in closet with several storage drawers and inside illumination. Additionally, there is a concealed flat-screen TV that only turns on when necessary, and a touch-sensitive control panel next to the bed allows you to change the temperature, window shades, and lighting. A good night's sleep is provided by the serene surroundings and seclusion from the outside world. Designed to the standards of a five-star hotel, the bathroom is your personal sanctuary. It has a sophisticated smart toilet, 2 sinks with chrome or gold faucets, and heated marble floors. The full-size shower's body jets and rain shower head deliver steady water pressure. The revitalizing shower experience is completed with bright lighting, cutting-edge ventilation, and an anti-fog mirror, offering unmatched comfort while traveling. The kitchen of the Bentley Motorhome is both stylish and practical, even if it is a gourmet paradise. The worktops are composed of premium quartz or marble. Full-size refrigerators and freezers, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers are examples of built-in kitchen equipment from well-known manufacturers like Gaggenau and Sub-Zero. A wine fridge, an integrated espresso maker, and an abundance of well-built cabinet storage with soft-close mechanisms are all included. You can cook delicious meals from anywhere with this kitchen.